Welcome to our channel. So this video will be tackling the procedures involved in purchasing MTN Sunday special bundles. So the MTN Sunday special bundle is just like other MTN core bundles, but this is valid on Sundays, and the prices are very low compared to normal bundles. So let's not waste time and let's get into the main part of the video. So the short code to access this package is *550#. And then we choose more, which is 8. And then we choose 2, which says Sunday special. Okay, so the first package is 1 CD 41 pesos. You get 20 megabytes, 37 minutes, and then 10 SMS units, and it's valid for 2 consecutive Sundays. So let's go to the next package. So the next package is 76 pesos, 20 minutes, and 10 SMS units. Let's move to the last package. So the last package is 2 CDs 63 pesos, 50 megabytes, 70 minutes, and 10 SMS units, and this is also valid for 2 consecutive Sundays. So let's go back and then choose the first package. Let's go back once again. Okay, so let's select one. So just as mentioned earlier, this package you get 20 megabytes, 37 minutes, and 10 SMS. So hash for next, and then here you can press 1 to accept and then subscribe to the offer, or you press 9 to abort the procedure. So in this case, we don't have enough credits or airtime, so you just click on 1 and then they'll tell us, sorry, our balance is low. So this is how you purchase your MTN Sunday special bundles. So the MTN Sunday special bundle can be purchased with only airtime. You can purchase with MTN mobile money balance. So if you want to buy this package, you just have to buy airtime and then subscribe. And then if this is your first time trying to buy this bundle, you'll be asked to subscribe. So if you subscribe, it means that automatically every Sunday MTN will be doing this. MTN will be deducting that. Let's say you chose 1 CD 41 pesos. Every 2 weeks Sunday, MTN will deduct that 1 CD 41 pesos, and they will give you that minute automatically. So to unsubscribe, you come here again, *550#. Then you go to 8 for more, then 2 for Sunday special. So now we'll be going fast because we've already tackled this part. So 99 for more, another 99 for more, and then here you choose 4, which is unsubscribe. That's the short form of unsubscribe. So when you send it, you have to confirm it once again, and then you'll be unsubscribed from the service. This means MTN will not automatically be deducting the amount of money to purchase this bundle for you anymore unless you resubscribe once again. So thank you. That's all for this video. So do all to subscribe to our channel for more tips like this.